Everybody, my name's Kai and I'm working with John Herder for our final project in Computer Music 1 in machine listening. We designed a patch that will take audio information through a microphone and relay it as percussion output. So if you take a look over here to our patch, you can see kind of what we have going on. Here we have our mic input, where our audio information will go into, and that will proceed to go into our gainer slide. And then from the gainer slide, it'll go into the analyzer tool that we have, the analyzer FFT. And what the analyzer does is it computes the brightness and noisiness amongst other presets. These are just the ones that we're using in our patch. And using the brightness and noisiness, we're going to set parameters to determine what's going to be played from our audio information. So for example, we have number boxes with values for brightness and then noisiness, and then we have float buttons that store these numbers, and once these values go into the float buttons, they then go to these number boxes that relay the actual values that are being played at the time when I strike my hand on the table or hit the pencil on the table. And I have parameters set so that, for instance, the kick drum will play when the noisiness is greater than 0.1 and less than 0.51. I have an parameter here set so that both of these values have to be true. It has to be greater than 0.1, and it also has to be less than 0.51 in order for the bang to hit. Once the bang hits, it goes to a select 1, which then goes to another bang, which goes to a 1 message. So if all this is true and it's a 1, then it will go to an SF play, which will play a sound file, which is, in this case, would be the kick drum that I have a preset for. And then from there, it goes into our SDAC, which is our output. And as you can see, the same is over here for our snare drum. For this one, we used 2 parameters. Here we use both brightness and noisiness. I have it set so that the brightness needs to be between 200 and 10,000, and the noisiness needs to be greater than 0.511 and less than 0.99. So if both of these parameters are satisfied, they will both pass through their and statements, and then these 2 bangs will be hit. And if both these bangs hit, and this and is satisfied by both these bangs, then this bang will hit, and then it will set the select 1 for another bang, and then the 1 message again that will hit the sound file play, which will be the snare drum, and then that will go into our output. And if you take a look over here, here's just like a graphical representation of like the brightness, the noisiness, the loudness of some of the audio that we're getting through our input. And down here is some of our raw MIDI pitch data that we have as a result of what we play and what is gathered through our input. So hopefully you can kind of stick along with this and follow us as we present our live performance, so you'll know what's going on in our patch.